Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Utsayina. She is walking down the stairs, Dlamini, looking guys all gorgeous. Like, listen, you can see Utsayina is back to Ubu soft life back, guys. So as she's walking down, Unelige is busy setting up the table ezansi, and she's like, oh, sister sawubona. Then uTrina's like, wakuhle bo namhlanje. UNelly's like, ngiyabonga. Then uTrina's like, waze wasetapha kahle weNelly. UNelly's like, yeah, phela unyaka omusha, so nami mele ngizame izinto ezintsha. And then uTrina then says, okay ke. Then uNelly's like, hayi bo, khona okushintshile ngawe yazi. And then uTrina's like, ukhuluma ngani? UNelly's like, hayi bo, ngiyakubona phela ukuthi umuhle, uyaplowa, uhappy. Yazini ungangitshela ukuthi khona uDlamini omncane laphoyana olapho. And then uGcina ahleke, she's like, ayibo cabanga ukuthi ngikhulele, oh please, kodwa-ke no cha, abanga ukuthi like impilo nje ngibona iqhakazile okwamanje. UNelly's like, okay, ngaze ngakujabulela sis, uyabonakala futhi and kuyakufanela futhi. Then uGcina's like, kodwa-ke Nelly, empelweni ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu. You were a real friend to me. Yazi uNkulunkulu ngathi bekasazi ukuthi isimo sami indlela besinzima kanjani nje, like I really needed umuntu that was going to be eduze kwami. She goes on to say ukuthi like, hey, ungisekile sisi, you are kind to me, wanginika yonke support nje, ngiyabonga Nelly. UNelly's like, how sisi, ngiyabonga nami, yazi I'm just happy ukuthi usuyazi ke ukuthi ungubani ke manje, ungumuntu wesifazane ostrongo and kuyakufanela, buka nje ukuthi umuhle kanjani. She's laughing there, she's nomaring uGcina left, right and center, and ngempela guys uGcina looks so good. uGcina then says, ngiyazi ukuthi bokumele ukuthi ngikunikeze something for iChristmas, kodwa-ke ngoba ulana, you will buy noma yini oyithandayo. As she's saying that, she's handing over guys an envelope uNelly, but that envelope, listen guys, it's looking fat. Usho ukuthi umfakele imali in that envelope and she's gifting her as a Christmas present. And then uNelly's like, how sisigcina ngiyabonga kakhulu futhi, yazi uzongikhalisa, you shouldn't have done this kodwa. And then uGcina's like, after everything ongenzele yona Nelly, this is the least I can do for you. uNelly's like, ngiyabonga kakhulu sisigcina, kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngizokhipha siye to that restaurant la usebenza khona, and then mina ngizoyikhokhela ibill. And then uGcina's like, okay, la bengisebenza khona, it's past tense manje. uNelly's like, hayibo, uyekile umsebenzi? uGcina's like, yeah, sengikhathele ukuseva abantu mina, sengifuna ubuyela kunoGcina wasekuqaleni, ngidinga ukusevwa nami ke. I'm like, shayigcina yo. uNelly's like, and I can't wait to serve you, yazi ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi yezwa. And then that scene ends, you guys. I think that situation that uGcina went through, even though it was short-lived guys, it did teach her something, because now she's even acting all nice to the helpers. I get next scene we see uKwenzo and uNomalanga at a restaurant, guys. I'm just like, I guess maybe this is where they're gonna close each chapter on Nomalanga. Remember Nomalanga, guys, in real life she did lose her mother, so that's why we just suddenly did not see her. Maybe they gave her a break and now she's coming to close off the chapter yet divorced. So Ukwenzo's going through papers lapayana. Unoma, she's sipping on some tea or coffee them. Unoma's like, everything is there, Kwenzo. Awudingi ukuthi ubheke amagama, awudingi ukuthi ubheke igama negama. You don't need to read it word for word. Ukwenzo's like, sorry, I just umqondo wami nje uhlangahlangene kancane nje. He goes on to say, bengingazitshela ukuthi uzosayina kanula kanje nje. And then Noma then says ukuthi, no, it's not like I had much of a choice, now did I? Ukwenzo's like, yeah, ngiyabonga Nomalanga for actually doing the right thing. Ngiyazi ukuthi bokungekho lula to do this. unoma then says ukuthi hayi ngempela bowungekho lula vele kodwa-ke ukulwela ukuba unkosikazi wakho was not worth it. It was not worth it, me trying or me turning myself into someone that we both don't love. Ukwenza's like, yeah. Then Unoma's like, which is why, okay, I've chosen to focus on my business, my new business. Ukwenza's like, oh. Then Unoma's like, yeah, I took advice at therapist Yami when she told me ukuthi I should give my energy into something that I love. It's still a work in progress, kodwa uhamba kahle. Ukwenza's like, that's great. I mean, that's great. Ngiyakujabulela ukuzwa lokho. Then Unoma's like, anyway, athi ngikushiye Kwenzo. Ukwenzo's like, yeah, Nomalanga, ngiyabonga. And then Nomalanga's like, ngifisela inhlanhla enyakeni omusha-ke. And then Ukwenzo's like, ngiyabonga. I also wish you the best in the new year. Then Unoma, she's like, oh, and I really hope you and Uspengile that you get to have your happy ending. Your happy ever after ending. But you can see she's saying it from a sincere place and she gets up and she leaves. I mean, it's the right thing to do. I mean, she's the one who wronged Ukwenzo, but Ukwenzo also wronged her, guys. He kept keeping her around knowing that Adam Tandi. So I'm just glad that this thing's going to be over and done. But I'm now thinking, I even forgot Ukwenzo was still married. Why is she not just waiting up until this whole thing is settled? Kodwa-ke, who am I to be misjudged? Next scene, we saw Utulisile and Uneli. They are there with kitchen labo. I don't know what they're doing. Oda Utengo Luga Tuli rings. So Utuli answers the phone. She's like, hello, it's Tuli. Then Yamuza we don't hear what the person on the phone is saying. We just hear what Utuli's responses are. And she's like, hi, Ngempela. Okay, ngiqala ukuthi ungisendele i-address ngizofika mina ngokushesha nje ngokuphuthuma ngizofika-ke. Then she's like, oh, okay, thanks. And then she hangs up. When she's done hanging up, she's screaming. She's like, oh, where ma? Unele's like, Tulisile, i-energy engaka uyithathaphi-ke manje? Utulisile is like, hayi bona. Oh, na, le nto ebizwa nge-acting. Mina ngiyayibaka ngiyayibaka. Unelizayo uqonda ungitshela ukuthi sonke lesi sikhathi uya-actor. Then Utulisile is like, no how kodwa ngithi yonke into engiyenzayo uyangikholwa ngithi. Uneli's like, how? Hey Tulisile. Anyway, ngicela ungitshele ukuthi bathini kule call leyo sanda ayithola. Then Utulisile is like, okay, le call lena yigigi yokuthi ngiyokhala laphayana eBalido. What makes me happy ke ngale gigi ukuthi ngizothatha lonke nje usizi lwami nokhathazeka kwami nobuhlungu bami ngikhiphe laphayana ona, and then ngiyakhala nje from my stomach to my head and down my face. Uneli then says, hayi cha uneyimanga sisi, angazi ukuthi uzofika kanjani eBhalito ngoba wena nje bohluleka nje to even get off of the couch. Utulisile is like, hayi kodwa ngisukumile, I need that money wenedi. Nelly mnganami woza lana-ke, she pulls uNelly. She's like, mngani bengicela ukuthi ungikhavarele mengiya le eBhalito uzothi mina mengithi tswe ngikubheyileke. Uneli's like, Uneli says ukuthi sowuqala ungijwayela-ke Thulisile, cala ukuthi ungiyeke futhi. Uthulisa like, kodwa mngani wami, now kodwa we are friends njena. Uneli then says ukuthi musa ukungibamba, leave me, and musa ukungibribe futhi. Uthulisa like, okay kodwa ngiyazi-ke ma ukuthi wena uzongikhavarela. And then Uneli's like to say ukuthi vele you know I'd do it for you. Uthulisa is like, oh my gosh, thanks, na. And then she hugs Uneli and she's like, ungithathele icathulo zami, ngingaze ngibe late. Uyajabula laphayana. I'm just like, I wonder how long Utulisile is going to be able to keep up this job yakhe, guys, or this side hustle should I say. Next scene we see Uvele pusekamereni like, guys, she is wearing a full attire uniform yesikolo, and she's fixing her tie. So Sang, when he comes in the room, he's like, hayibo wena we uniform kwenzenjani? uVelephi ke amzibeke, uVelephi sibhezide esipilini. Then uSangweni is like, Velephi namhlanje umhlaka 1 January. New Year namhlanje siyaswenka. I-uniform siyigqoka ngomhlaka 16 June, hayi namhlanje. UVelephi is like, yazi wena you're so foolish kodwa mntakama. Ucabanga ukuthi angikwazi lokho. Ukuthi like awusiyona or ukuthi awuyena uJune 16 namhlanje. USangweni is like, manje ke uniform uVelephi then says, Sangweni lalela ke, I've always known ukuthi mina ke ngifuna ukuphindela esikolweni. So what better here to go back than this? Umgomo wami kahle kahle ukuthi ngifunde okuningi so that I can improve my life. So futhi ke, there's no better place to learn new things than esikoleni. Remember izolo vele uVelephi ushilo ukuthi new year, new me, ushilo kuvuma. So usho ukuthi this is part of the new Velephi. USangweni then says, yeah, ngiyakuzwa kodwa ngokwazi kwami. Isikole lesi sasebusuku abayigqoki uniform, ugqokwa nje ingubo zabo. UVelephi is like, manje ubani ukutshelile ukuthi mina ngiya esikoleni sasebusuku? Mengicabanga kahle ngenkathi ngateta uManqoba ngangifunda in the same grade that you're in right now. Kusho ukuthi ke mina nawe sizofunda ndawonye. USangweni is like, whoa. Uthi mina nawe kuzomela ukuthi senze njani? UVelephi is like, sofunda ndawonye. USangweni is like, Velephi, wo. Uyayiphinda lento Nkosi yami. Uke wayicabanga lento Velephi, mina nawe eklasini elilodwa. Velephi yazi ukuthi abantu abadala esikoleni sibabiza ngani? Wena ufuna uzofunda nami. Hayi ena Velephi cha. UVelephi is like, lalela weSangweni, ayikho into ozongitshelayo yona wena nontanga bakho that will make me not stick to my New Year's resolution, uyezwa? USangweni is like, hayibo uVelephi serious yazi manje imigomo yakho ithi mina nawe fanele ukuthi sifunde ndawonye. UVelephi is like, injani ke yona mntakama, speaking about the uniform ukuthi injani yona. USangweni is like, hayi Velephi. UVelephi is like, and isangihleli le uniform yazi ngihlele kahle. USangweni is like, nakhohlwa ngeke angiyivumi leyo. I get it. USangweni, guys, he doesn't want to be in the same class as uVelephi. Hi guys, next scene we see uGcina and uSibongile. They are at the Dlamini household. Ingathi babize laba bantu bespa, guys, these ones that rub your feet. So they're having a massage there, a foot massage. Batobise lezi zinto ezimhlophe emusweni, guys, on their face. You can see ukuthi like it's a whole spa date but ekhaya. So uGcina is like, sisakhuluma ngomndeni wakho, ngiyathemba ukuthi uKwenzo sekahlangane nabo bonke. And then uSibongile is like, alungiyeke lapha. Yazi uKwenzo, he even met the people he was not supposed to meet at my father's wedding. UGcina is like, oh, kusho ukuthi ke amalobona wakho ayeza soon. And then uSibongile ahleke, she's like, leyo sisalinde ukuthi aqede ngedivorce with uNomalanga. UGcina is like, oh, okay, yina udli. She's eating there. Usis maybe subalethele ngathi ama-fruits or something like that. So uGcina is eating there. She's like, awudli yini Sibongile? uSibongile lo, she's like, yazi besingekho isidingo for Mom Mavis ukuthi angenzele nami. I could have just went to go and make something to eat for myself when I was finished here. UGcina is like, hayibo Sibongile, izinto sezishintshile sisi. If ufuna uba uDlamini, mele uzijwayeze i-5-star service nje. I'm just like, listen. Next scene, we see uKwenzo noSibongile. It looks like uSibongile, guys, she's ready to go home. uKwenzo is pushing her bags. Laphayana, they're about to leave. uKwenzo is like, unesiqiniseko ukuthi kufanele uhambe namhlanje sithandwa sami. uSibongile is like, yeah, sengimtshelile futhi ubaba. In fact, we are lucky ukuthi ubaba, he believed me when I said ukuthi kuzoba neparty with my classmates for a new year. So that's where he thinks I am. Futhi ke sengimtshelile ukuthi namhlanje ngiyeza, so I don't want to get in trouble. So as she's speaking to uKwenzo kanjalo, uVusi and uGcina, they walk in. So uVusi is like, how usuyahamba Ntombo? uSibongile aphendule-ke and she's like, ayi sengiyahamba. UVusi's like, ayi ke siyabonga kakhulu for visiting us. Mina bengazi-ke ukuthi kumnandi kanjani ukuhlala nawe. Then bahleke. UVusi continues or goes on to say ukuthi ungahambi ke isikhathi eside. Bengicela ukuthi ubuye futhi usivakashele. And then uSibongile says ukuthi hayi ngizokwenza njalo, ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nabuwena Sistrina ukuthi nje ningamkele kahle nje. As she's speaking like that, Wenzeni walks in. Wenzeni-ke, she says, hawu Sibongile, usuyahamba. Hawu Nkosi yami, yazi ngizokukhumbula. And then she hugs uSibongile. She's like, ngiyacela-ke ukuthi ungahambi isikhathi eside-ke. And then uSibongile responds and she's like, khululeka. Ukwenzo then says ukuthi hayi ke kuzomela ukuthi sihambe before it gets dark. And then uSibongile says kulungile seniyosala kahle. And then uVusi says nihambeni kahle ke nani. Then uSibongile and Ukwenzo they leave. Uwenzeni, she goes back to wherever she's coming from, maybe her bedroom, angazi. Usele bani uVusi noGcina. So uVusi noGcina, you can see they're looking at one another. Then uVusi says to uGcina, mawucabanga naba bazolasta isikhathi esingakanani. Then ulokuzana uGcina zathi ayi angiboni ukuthi lento she says ukuthi angiyiboni mina lento yabo, angiboni ukuthi bazolasta nje inyanga, kodwa ke asibanikeze isikhathi and we'll see. UVusi's like hayi asazi. I'm just like these two, but I kind of enjoy that because guys, that's the reality of how most of us are. We are siyahleba nabantu bethu and unnecessary things. Anyway, next scene we see uSamke, guys, kwambalenhle kugcwele, guys, yazi uKhuzwayo umsizile. Ever since that New Year's Eve service, or the not service, why do I keep saying service? That New Year's Eve event or crossover, kugcwele kwaSamke. So Samke, she's serving a table laphayana. She's telling her customers ukuthi njengoba kungunyaka omusha, lokhu kudla lokhu is on me mahala. Then uKhuzwayo walks in. uKhuzwayo is like, Samke, fanele ungenzele iyababa. Usho ukuthi kunevoroso, guys, or voros ebizwa iyababa. He goes on to say ukuthi ipapalaza iyangibulala lana. uSamke says ukuthi hayi ke unenhlanhla ukuthi I'm in a good mood namhlanje. uKhuzwayo is like, shoot umuntu uzodla kahle ke if you are in a good mood. uSamke is like, yabona nje into ongenzele yona Khuzwayo, usuku lwayizolo was a successful bash. Kungenxa yakho ke. uKhuzwayo then says ukuthi hayi ubala lolo. Shuthi ke since we have so many holidays enyakeni, mele ukuthi sisheshise nje, we need to be quick, like izinto ezifana njengo Valentine's Day, mele senze something for izithandani. Ngiyakutshela wena Samke when uzongibonga nje. These are my ideas wami ke lawo. uSamke is like, I get late. I'm already so grateful for a lot of things that you've done. uKhuzwayo is like, njengani? uSamke is like, yo, hayi Khuzwayo, ngiyabonga nje Khuzwayo ngalento ongitshele ngayo ngophetheni izolo. uKhuzwayo doesn't remember nothing, guys. He drank too much. uKhuzwayo is like, hayibo, into engitshele ngayo ngophetheni. uSamke then says ukuthi uyazi uKhuzwayo, ungenze ngabona ukuthi when I say ukuthi uyindoda engingayithemba bengadlali, I wasn't joking. I want you to know ukuthi imfihlo yakho is safe nami. uKhuzwayo umangele is like, imfihlo yami yiphi manje? uSamke is like, how? Angithi wena ungitshele ukuthi uphetheni wakukhokhela ukuze umtshele le ndaba kaMbali. uKhuzwayo is like, yimina okutshele leyo nto. Ulokuzana uSamke just looks at him. She continues with the table that she's busy with and she walks off. I'm just like, hey, Khuzwayo. Then next scene, guys, we see uSibongile. Last scene, we see uSibongile. She is at home at Opo. She is bringing uBaba uVuma iti. So uSibongile is like, cha baba, kahle kahle, kukhona okusemqondweni wami. Then uVuma is like, oh, ngilalele ntombi. uSibongile is like, cha, Magezo omuhle, bengithi ngifisa nje ngelinye ilanga ukuthi ukwazi ukubona uKwenzo ukuthi ungumuntu onjani. Yo, yambona ukuthi ubaba uvuma-ke ucikekile guys. He just keeps quiet, but yambona nje on his facial expression ukuthi ubhorekile. Then uSibongile sees that she's like, Baba, ukwenza unomusa. He's gentle, futhi ungumuntu oneqiniso nje. Uvuma zakhe, yazi Sibongile, esikhathini esingaphambili ubuhlala ukhuluma ngey'mfundo zakho nemfiso zakho zekusasa lakho. But hey, lately all you talk about is lokwenzo wakho. Ngibona ingathi iy'mfundo zakho uzikhohliwe. Sibongile zathi Ntshangase, angisoze ngayikhohlwa imfundo zami. Then ubaba uvuma says, uhleke, focus on iy'fundo zakho mntanami, ngifuna nje ufunde upase for you to get your degree, and after soyitholile i-degree yakho ngifuna ukubona nje if uzongihlalisa yini phansi ngaleso sikhathi ungitshele nganomfana once you're done with your degree. He goes on to say ukuthi don't get distracted ngani yami ekusaseni lakho, mekakuthanda uzobilinda. uSibongile zathi kodwa baba bakhona abantu abafundayo but they are still in meaningful relationships. Uvuma zathi iyasangana yini umthetho wakho? Sibongile, you are not abanye abantu wena. USibongile Mbambo ozalwa uvuma bakushoyo nombali. If awufuna ukukhuluma nami izinto ezakhayo ngitshele ukuze nami ngiyeke ukukhuluma izinto ezakhayo kuwena. You can see Shemus Mongile, she's disappointed. She's like, ngiyaxolisa baba. And then uvuma zakhe angithelele lapho, like to say ngithelele itiye ungiyeke nganomsangano wakho. And that's how the episode ends, you guys. But if we're being honest, guys, at Mongile's age, most people are dating. So the more uvuma is pushing her away from Ukwenzo, the more she's gonna go towards Ukwenzo. She is old now, guys. She is past high school. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video, guys. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do watch the ads, guys. That is just your way of showing appreciation for these videos that I do. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.